Z axis, if I rotate like this one, means it is going like this one, like this. You understood?
Yes, yes, yes.
See, now it is clear na. You have asked Z axis is how much.
Uh-huh.
You
Okay.
understood na?
Yes, yes. So X, Y, and
This is
then
the
Z.
X. This is the Y
Yes, and this is inside. Okay.
inside.
Mm-hmm.
So I wanted to ask you, what is this my small length it is making? See,
M divided on 2PR.
that is the mass per unit length. Is it clear?
Yes.
Mass per unit length. M divided by 2PR. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now you look here. This is your R. Am I right or not? This is the R value. Now you take one small piece. Small
The DX,
dx
DZ.
we cannot take, because dx when we take, once we will take in the x-axis direction. At a distance of x we are taking. Every times we cannot take x. Okay.
DZ,
Huh?
DZ.
Dz in this direction, what is, nothing is there. This direction nothing is there. This direction we are taking, nothing is there. We are not taking the z direction, nothing is there, only hollow is there. Correct or not? What we will do, we will draw one small angle here. Let us say this is the x-axis na. From the x-axis, this is one theta at theta angle. One small piece we will take, theta.
Okay.
See, this
So it was Z axis.
angle is making with the x-axis.
With X axis.
This is the theta, and this is the small angle d theta. Okay, not
Wait,
understood?
wait. No, no. So you make an angle with X axis.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I will tell you.
But why did you make a such big angle? It's not very small angle.
Which one, a very small angle?
This is theta, d
D
theta.
theta.
Okay.
Theta is any angle. Correct na? Theta may be 45 degree at whatever it is telling. Correct na? See,
D theta is a small angle. Okay.
yes, d theta, if you, I will draw the separately, it is making the at the center this is small piece. Correct na? This is the theta. Is it clear? One thing you understood, that linear displacement and angular displacement. If angular displacement is theta, the linear displacement is how much? Theta into r. You understand? Correct?
Yes, yes.
So can I take this length? What length? This is small length r d theta, because this is d theta. D theta multiplied by r. You understood? Last class we have already discussed.
Yes, 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 yes.
Any confusion is there, please ask me this one.
No, no, no. You take a small displacement. I understand, on a circle.
This is the small displacement also, and this is the arc length also. This is the formula r d theta. If r theta, if you theta into r you multiply, this gives the arc length, whatever theta you will take. If you want to take this much theta and this one you want to calculate, just you theta you take and multiplied by r. This is called r d theta. Is it clear? What is this r d theta? It is the length of this small piece. Which piece?
This small piece.
Which piece? Where can you mark it?
Here.
Yes, this is the small piece. Is it clear? What is the mass of this small piece? First we will get the small piece mass.
Mass.
Hmm.
Uh-huh.
Length
Length.
into mass per unit length. Very simple. Length of the small piece. What is the small piece length? R d
D.
theta into mass per unit length. Is it clear?
R d theta mass per unit length. Okay.
Is it clear now? No doubt here?
No, you're taking mass of small. No, no doubt.
Length I am
Mass.
taking. First I am taking the length. Correct na? And mass per unit length I am multiplying. So you are getting the mass of this small piece.
Yes, yes, yes. Mm-hmm.
If you have not understood, I will give one more example. If
No, I understood. I
okay,
understood.
please tell me. What is the moment of inertia of this small piece? Very simple. This small piece has a distance of axis from how much?
R.
R. What is the formula for a small piece mass? M.
R square.
Yes.
Square.
Di is equal to, listen, dm into r
R
square.
square.
Correct?
Yes.
But that's all. This, if you have got it, you can do anything. Dm is equal to, put it. Please, dm is equal to, put it whole things.
R d t d
D theta you keep in the last because we have to do the integration. Everything you.
Okay. M.
R is capital here. Please, one only you use it. I have you. Correct na? R is one.
Okay. Okay. So you
R
take.
get cancel. So m divide by 2 pi r square d theta. Is it clear?
Yes.
Please check. Anything is missing, please tell me.
No.
No? Okay. What we will do next?
Next integration.
Integration. What is the value of theta? See, theta is starting from, if suppose theta is starting from here, 0 degree, 0. Where it will be goes? 0 to full circle. Am I right or not?
360.
360, but degree we will not take. Only we will write in the pi, 2 pi. Because in physics calculations, always you should use radian. So please tell me the limit.
0 to 2 pi.
Yes, 0 to 2 pi.
And a limit of di.
Is I.
There's
I.
I. So it's going to be I equal to.
I equals to m by 2 pi. M is constant, 2 pi is constant, r square is constant. D theta. What is the integration of d theta?
Theta.
Theta. What will be the limit?
0 to 2 pi.
Very good. See, if this way if you do, it is a very fast to finish the physics. Very fast we will finish the physics. Yeah. Please tell me what you will do for limit. Put the limit.
M not 2 on divide on 2 p r square.
Hmm.
And 2 pi minus 0.
So m r square
Divided on
2 pi into 2 pi, minus 0
minus 0.
to 2 pi.
2 pi. So 2 pi is going to be removed. Yes, so the m r square.
Good. M is the whole mass. Correct na? Is it clear?
So moment of inertia of a small piece is going to be whole mass.
What moment of inertia? What you
no. Moment of inertia of the whole body, right?
whole body means circular hoop.
Circular hoop. Okay. Yes, I understand.
Okay. This is the circular hoop. Now I have cut it. I cannot make it circle again. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am taking another things. What I am taking? Look here. What is this? What is the shape of this? Please tell me.
Disc.
Disc.
Mm-hmm.
Thin disc. Correct na? See the
Mm-hmm.
thickness. Thin disc.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, make it. You make it the thick thin disc here. Okay. We want what? One axis. Again same axis we will take it. Okay. Let me just take in a horizontal way. Otherwise you are getting confused. Like this disc I will take. Correct na? Now you just
Uh-huh.
take x axis and y axis because you are confusing.
Yes, yes.
Z axis you are getting confused.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Correct?
Uh-huh.
Now this is no problem na? This is only two axis I have made it now.
Mm-hmm.
What is the axis of disc?
Axis of disc.
Is what? Axis of disc when I says which under which axis it is rotating like this. Like this position is there now.
Mm-hmm.
Correct na?
Okay. Okay.
So what is this axis? This is the axis what?
Why?
Y. Correct na?
Why? Mm-hmm.
So we are getting the moment of inertia now y. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
You see here. Correct?
Yes, I see, yes.
And x axis is passing like this.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let us take mass of the disk is m.
Mm-hmm.
Mass of the disk is m.
Mm-hmm.
What we will do now? We have to divide these elementary pieces.
Mm-hmm.
What we will do?
Mm-hmm.
Mass
We have to take again a small piece,
a
but
small
we need to
small
divide
piece
on
now we
area.
will
On area divided?
yes we will divide the area. First small piece what we will take? We will divide this disk into a number of hoops. Number of
Hoops?
hoops. Hoops means see here disk my disk. I am
Uh-huh.
opening one hoop. See one hoop is open. Correct or
Uh-huh.
not?
Uh-huh.
Like this so many hoops is there.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Am I right or not?
Yes, I understand. But number of hoops is a lot of them. How do
Lot
you?
of them and with variable radius. Am I right or not? This radius
Yes.
decrease,
Changing. Yes.
changing. I
Mm-hmm.
don't mind. Let us take one hoop. See, my practical is so easy, making your understanding easy. Are you agree with me or not? You will
Yes.
feel sometimes it is what he is doing. You
No,
are
I
see the
understand. I
laugh,
understand.
see the laughing. You are laughing also. No problem.
No, I'm not laughing. I mean, I'm laughing because it's a, funny explanation, like, how to say, it's very practical explanation.
Yeah. So see this my hoop is ready here.
Mm.
Now see the hoop I have taken along the x axis. Can I say this is the hoop is at a distance of x? This hoop, green color hoop. This is my
Mm-hmm.
green color hoop. Correct na?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
X distance, radius will be x become.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Now I have to take the thickness also for the some hoops because I want to the area, mass area of this hoop.
Mm-hmm. As thickness is going to be y-axis.
No, thickness here, this thickness. Small dx. You see, one more hoop I will put it. Thickness. This thickness. This thickness.
Yes.
Thickness means this one. This one.
Ah, thickness in the. Okay.
X direction. This direction.
Yes. Okay. I
Not this
understand.
thickness.
Uh-huh. Okay.
This one.
Inside. Mm-hmm.
Inside. Dx direction. Correct na? Like this one. If I keep the this is the x. This thickness is dx. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
thickness. Okay, let me. Okay, this thickness. Is it clear? So this
Mm-hmm.
thickness will be how much? Dx. Am I right?
Okay, yes.
Dx.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I will write at x distance one hoop I have taken. At x distance one hoop of thickness dx. Correct now?
Mm-hmm.
X distance means radius will be become r, radius of this hoop.
Mm-hmm. Radius R. Mm-hmm.
X, radius x na.
Yes, okay. Radius.
What is the area of this hoop? Please tell me.
Area of this hoop.
Hmm.
Area of this hoop. You need to take 2πr multiply on dx.
Yes, thickness like this one. See, 2
Mm-hmm.
pi r is the length, correct na?
Yes, yes,
And dx we have thickness, so it becomes
yes,
rectangle. Am I
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
This is the whole length, and this thickness become width.
Becomes
Width.
area. Yeah, yes, yes.
So please tell me area of my hoop.
2πr.
R is what? You have to.
X. 2πx on dx.
Good. Then
Mm-hmm.
what is the mass dm?
dm. dm. dm small mass.
Hmm. This
Uh,
area into
area
mass,
divided
area
on.
multiplied by mass per unit area.
Yes,
Area.
yes. Area, yes. Okay.
So it
Mass.
is area. I will write area into mass per unit area. Is it clear?
Yes.
Area is how much?
Is 2πx
2 pi x dx
dx
mass per
multiply
uh,
mass divided on
mass.
unit area is going to be 2 pi.
No. Unit area is pi r square for this disk full area. We have to
Uh-huh.
disk. We have to take full area. Correct na?
Yes, okay, 2 pi r square.
Yes. We are not taking this one pi r square. Not this one 2 pi r. Is it clear? Okay. dm you arrange it. What is the moment of inertia of the hoop? Di. You know that moment of inertia just now we have did the. What is the formula for moment of inertia of the hoop? M
R square.
yes. So whatever things is given here, we will use that one. M means this is the mass. dm. Mass is dm into r square means x is.
X square.
Yes. Please put it.
Di is equal to 2 pi x on m on dm. You divide by the way pi r square on
You just see
d
anything is missed or not, nothing is missed. Just check out.
x square dx 2 pi x and 3 pi r square. Yes, it's yeah, correct.
Correct na? Now you know that we have to just integrate it. Now here x is variable. What is the x value? It will go. X value. How you will take the x value so that whole all strips should come. All hoops should come.
0 to x.
0 to r na.
R, sorry, yes, R.
See, the limit you are taking very carefully. Okay, 0 to R. All loops will come or not here? All
Yes, yes.
all small
Yes.
small circle come or
Mm-hmm.
okay, please calculate now.
2 m.
Pi pi cat cancel.
Yes, 2 m.
2
R square is
2m
also.
by r square, it is out of integration because constant.
Yes,
X
yes.
is cube is there. So what is
X cube is going to be integration
x
x
4 by 4
4 divide on 4
limit
0 to r
0.
0 to r.
Am I right or not?
Mm-hmm. So 2m r square is going to be r in fourth and minus 0, so it's 0. So this is going to be 2m r square.
R square 4 is there na here. 4 will not come.
4. Yes, divide on 4. Yes.
So
So 2 is gonna be removed. So it's going to be I is equal to m r square divided on 2.
yeah, see, you have got your disk. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now this is
So
the
I have a question. So this formula, like for example, like moment of inertia for disk, I can use it like, or I need to do this whole process, or like.
no. You need not to remember the whole process. For just I make you what is the moment of inertia, how to calculate it. You have just I have explained you. You have to
Okay.
remember this final result.
Okay, okay. Got it, got it. Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, yes, yes.
Now look here. There are two. See, like this, so many things is there. What is the these things? Like sphere.
I saw, yes, there's a lot of them.
Sphere is there. This is the sphere. Listen.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Then sphere we will divide into the disk. Then they will use the disk formula. Correct na? Like this we will cut it.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear? Like a sphere. Let us say this is a sphere, solid sphere. How you will do? We will cut this sphere and
Mm-hmm.
we will take one small simple
This.
disk. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
We will
Mm-hmm.
say this sphere is made of thousand disks, thin disks.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Correct
Okay.
or not?
Mm-hmm.
From divided from here, start from here, bottom.
So it's going to be diameter? No?
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Like that we will divide it and we need not to do like this one. Correct na? Because it
Okay.
just remember this one formula. I will
Mm-hmm.
write 2 5. Then it is a hollow sphere. Then cylinder, solid cylinder. Is it clear?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. So also I saw that they take different axes of rotation, right?
Yes, now I am going to that one only.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Now first before going to that one, I just wanted to clarify two theorems, parallel axis theorem and perpendicular axis theorem.
Mm-hmm.
What is the one is parallel axis theorem?
Okay. I don't know this theorem.
Parallel axis theorem
Theorem.
and then perpendicular axis theorem.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So parallel axis theorem means what? See, one axis it is already known. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Let me take one again experiment. See, this is the disk.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? This is the disk. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
This is my axis. Correct? Now you see na axis.
Mm-hmm.
Now I don't want this axis. I want one axis like this one. So these two axes are parallel. Am I right or not? One
Yes, yes.
one axis is passing from the CG, one axis is passing from the center of gravity,
Uh-huh.
center of gravity, and one another axis is can pass anywhere. It can pass in the inside this disc or outside the disc or here.
Mm-hmm.
If here axis is there, then how disc is rotate like this.
Mm-hmm.
Is it
Okay.
is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Is it clear? If
Mm-hmm.
here axis
Mm-hmm.
is there, disc is rotate like this one.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
From this axis, about this axis.
Mm-hmm.
So this is
Mm-hmm.
called, this we will use as a parallel axis theorem when we knows that axis passing through the CG is a moment of inertia is given. Is it clear? Let us say this axis we are knowing. If we want to know this about this axis,
What is this CZ? I don't understand this word.
center of
What is this?
gravity, mass, center of gravity,
Ah, okay.
center of mass.
Okay.
CG means center of gravity. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So one axis we will draw. Where we will draw? Let us say this is the axis at a distance periphery. We want to
Mm-hmm.
rotate this circle as a this one. Let us say this is the y name. We will give the name y, and this is the y dash y dash. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
So I is equal to how much? Please tell me. You know that. If it is a disk,
Disk IYY is equal to mr squared divided on 2.
very good. This distance between these two axes is how much?
R.
R. Very good. If suppose R is not there, some different things is there, you can take the different things also. Correct?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So parallel axis theorem says axis a moment of inertia about any axis parallel to the axis of CG means parallel to the moment of inertia about an axis which passes through the CG. This one
Okay. Okay.
plus
Mm-hmm.
mass time distance square. Mass time distance between the axis square. Distance between the axis.
Square. Mr square.
Yes, mr square.
Distance between the axes. Uh-huh.
You write down distance between the axis. So what is
Mm-hmm.
the formula here? Mr square by 2 plus mr square is equal to 3mr square by 2.
But how do you call this? This is a moment of inertia of what?
Moment of inertia of the disk about an axis passing through its periphery,
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
perpendicular to its plane. This is the plane,
Mm-hmm.
plane of the disk, correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Perpendicular to the disk. See, this is the disk, correct na? This
Mm-hmm.
axis is perpendicular like this one.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I understand.
This axis, we are getting a moment of inertia about this axis. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Suppose the axis is here, we will multiply this distance square, correct na?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
If here, we will multiply that distance. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. So parallel axis theorem, whenever we will apply, one axis should be passed through the CG, center of gravity. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Now perpendicular axis theorem.
How do you spell this? CZ?
Cent-
CZ? CEZE?
no, CG.
Ah,
CG,
CG. Okay.
center of gravity.
Okay. Okay. CG. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now you tell me what is parallel perpendicular axis theorem I am using, correct na?
Mm-hmm.
No. Perpendicular axis theorem.
Okay.
Perpendicular axis theorem is nothing but very simple. Perpendicular axis theorem means something is perpendicular. Correct? See, this is the axis. What is this axis? Please tell me.
A Y.
This is the y axis. How you will explain? This is the axis parallel to the plane of the disc. Parallel plane
Parallel to the plane of the disc.
and
Okay.
passing through the one diameter. Am I right or not? Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
It is clear na? Now suppose
Yes.
this is the x-axis. How you will write this x disc? I will make the diagram.
This is what you show is x-axis.
Yes. Can you tell me? Can you write the diagram? See, so simple it is become. Now I am to explain. Otherwise, I have to me correct na? See, this is this is axis is becomes correct. One diameter correct. Now I will explain the y. See that now this is the one another axis. What is this axis?
Y.
Y. Please draw the whiteboard. Whiteboard also. You just see both. You have to relate it.
So you mean Y? Okay, y-axis like this.
Good. Write it. Please write the name. Without name, no meaning.
Okay.
Y dash. Okay. Just tell me this axis moment of inertia about y or moment of inertia about x. Is it same or not? Because both way it is same na?
Moment of inertia.
About
Y. I think
Ix
so.
Ixx is equal to Iyy. Am I right or not? No, think. You just see, confirm it.
Yes. I think so. Yes. It is.
It is na because just I have changed na nothing I have changed.
Yes. Same.
Same. Very important things I am asking. This is same. Again I am confirming. Yes, it is same.
Yes.
Don't correct. Now these two axes are lying in the what? Lying in this plane of the disc. See there, this plane. Plane of the disc, you understood or not? This is the plane of the disc. Am I right now?
Yes.
These two axes are lying on the plane of the
Disc.
disc.
Yes. I understand. Yes.
Now one axis is there, like this one.
Z-axis.
Z-axis. Perpendicular to these two axes. Sorry,
Okay.
I don't have one more sticks. Otherwise, just you understood like this one.
Yes. I understand.
Correct na? So I am drawing like this third axis. Which is perpendicular to this way. Am I right? Is it clear?
Yes.
This is called ZZ.
Why did you write IZ?
Okay,
Just
sorry.
Just Z. Okay. It's the same?
Z. Now, right now, we have find out the moment of inertia about which axis? ZZ axis na? Perpendicular to the right now. Just we have did na? Please tell me.
You mean parallel?
Right now we have disk. What moment of inertia we have calculated here? Mr square by 2.
Yes. Perpendicular to the
Plane of the disk. So what I can say is IZZ na? Here in this case.
IZZ, yes.
I will write IZZ is
equal to MR square divided on 2.
Yes. Now perpendicular axis theorem says if two axes are mutually perpendicular, two axes are,
Mutually perpendicular.
then sum of this moment of inertia means, sum of this moment of inertia means I
I z z.
xx plus I yy, correct na,
Uh-huh. Okay.
is equal to
I z z.
izz. Is it clear?
Yes. So it's equal to mr square divided on 2.
Yes, mr.
But you said that ixx and iyy is the same.
Same. So can I write here 2ixx
Yes.
is equal to mr square by 2. So ixx is equal to how much?
Ixx is equal to mr square divided on 4.
Oh, see, this axis I have got the moment of inertia. Is it
Uh-huh.
clear?
Yeah.
Which axis I got this moment of inertia now? This axis,
Yes.
correct? Or
Yes.
this axis. Use the
Yes. X or
perpendicular
Y.
axis. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Good. Now suppose if I take, I will ask you now. I'm nothing I will discuss. Now it is over almost. Now you have to reply me. This is what?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Good. Cylinder axis. Axis, if I say cylinder, means this is going along the length. Correct na?
Along the length.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, like this. Why I have dotted line here inside I have did? Because the axis is passing through the inside the cylinder. Am I right now?
Okay.
That is the reason I have made dotted line inside. Correct? This is called axis of cylinder.
Axis of cylinder. Okay.
Very simple, yeah. Because why it is called axis of? Because it is passing through the parallel to the its axis, cylinder axis. Correct, na? So it may be, let us say, I, which side there? Shall I give YY or ZZ? Okay, I will give Z, X, YY. Correct, na? Now I want, what is the moment of inertia about this axis passing through this center like this one?
X. Axis.
Yes. How you will find out?
I have to take small disc.
No, no, leave it. I will give the disk moment of inertia of the cylinder. You can just take the book.
Okay.
So we have to use one two axis like this cylinder. It is there. Okay, let us take this cylinder. Glass is cylinder. One axis is like this one. Where? Like this one. Correct, na? Axis is this one going through the correct. Correct or not? Are you able to see it or not?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Can you visualize, na?
Yes.
This is the
Yes.
y-axis. This is the x-axis now. Correct na?
Yes.
Not
Okay.
passing from the front. It is passing from the center. Correct na?
From cent. Yes. Yes. I understand.
So what is the my moment of inertia? What is the x-axis? My question is. So
It's
what I will do?
it's perpendicular to
Yes, perpendicular to the CG. Now we will take one more axis like x, y, and z axis perpendicular to the x-axis. So these two axes are perpendicular.
wait. Y and X is like this, right? In
Hmm.
the same plane with the cylinder.
Hmm.
Yes.
Sorry.
Y and X is going to be in the same plane, right? With the cylinder.
Y and X
X in
is,
the same plane, right?
no, plane of the cylinder is,
It's there is no plane. Okay, it's three planes in
it
this.
is the this one.
Okay, I understand.
Hmm?
So the which one do you want along the Z axis?
I want z axis or x axis, both will be same because they are passing through the center. Correct na? Just now I given the example na. So
Wait, can you say
I
one more time? Which one
I
is perpendicular?
I
Z-axis is perpendicular to x-axis?
no, you have not understood. See, this is the reason I told you visualization. It is so. One second, let me see something. It is there or not. Mm,
Just show me on the glass. I can see.
see,
Okay. Yes.
this is what this axis
X,
x and this axis
Z.
z. Because y
Uh-huh.
axis we
Okay.
have taken perpendicular, correct or not?
Yes, yes, I understand now.
Okay,
Okay.
good.
Mm-hmm.
So I xx I
IXX
is
is equal to
IZZ, and for the perpendicular axis theorem IXX plus IZZ is equal to IYY. Is it clear?
wait. I understand the second one. Why IXX equal to Y? Wait. Why the IXX equal to Y IZZ?
See, not understood. See, this is the axis whether pass this way or
Yes.
this way. Both it is same, no? This is passing through the diameter of the cylinder. This also
Uh-huh.
passing through the diameter of the
So
cylinder.
the moment of inertia is going to be the same.
Same for the first one, IXX or IZZ. Actually, Z I
Okay.
have taken this one. That is the reason you are confusing.
Uh-huh.
Y is vertical, correct or not?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So vertical axis is equal to sum of these two perpendicular axis.
Solar
Just
axis. Okay.
perpendicular axis
Yes.
theorem.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now I will give you some formula, little bits formula, so that you can memorize it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You are having the formula list. You can upload it fast.
I know. And but you take milk, right?
Milk I take. Yes, you do not take milk.
I take also milk, yeah.
Uh,
Okay, you downloaded already because
yeah.
mine is
No,
downloading
leave it,
for
leave it,
only
leave it,
90.
leave it. See this one. I cylinder axis. Hello, just
Okay,
you
yes, yes.
see the fast. I
Mm-hmm.
is equal to mr square with this which axis? This axis. Correct na?
Uh-huh.
Axis of
Okay.
cylinder. This is the
Mm-hmm.
hoop. This we have already discussed. Mr square. Am I
Mm-hmm.
right na?
Mm-hmm.
This we have
Mm-hmm.
discussed already length. We have derived this one. Ml square by 12 about the center axis. Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
This yesterday last class.
Mm-hmm. I remember, yes. This I
And then
remember.
at about the one end we have transfer, then it becomes 1L by 3. That is also I have told you. Correct na? One last end.
Mm-hmm.
We have changed the
Yes.
limit.
Mm-hmm.
Correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
Here also we can use the this one parallel axis theorem for this and this. See the parallel axis theorem I will use. Shall I use and tell you?
Yes.
See the one axis parallel axis theorem I will use it. This one axis parallel to this one I will draw. What is the distance between this parallel axis theorem? Distance between parallel axis? L by 2.
L by 2.
What is our formula says? I center means ICG means that is 1 by 12 ml square, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Plus mass into distance square. What is the distance?
L by 2.
L by 2 ka whole square. Is it clear?
Uh-huh.
1 by 12.
So 1.5
No,
and
not 1.5. 1.5. 112. 112.
112, sorry. L square plus m L square divided on 4. So 12, 1 and L square plus 3 and L square is going to be 4, 4 and L square is going to be m L square divided on 3.
Good. Got na?
Yes, yes. For some reason it's still downloading this.
No,
Sorry.
no. This you are uploaded.
No, the problem is I wanted to upload a different one, but it's okay, whatever.
Okay. Okay. First we will finish this one. Okay. See, you understood now parallel axis theorem. This one.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
This is the
Yes.
one axis. We know the moment of inertia. We don't know about this axis, correct na?
Mm-hmm.
We got this one after adding the mass and distance. Is it clear?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
See, this is the solid sphere. Solid sphere means 2 by 5 mr square. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Where it is passes through the
Center.
CG, correct
Mm-hmm.
na?
Mm-hmm.
Or any diameter, correct na? Any times we
Mm-hmm.
means rotation ball is there, any diameter, all
Mm-hmm.
places it will be same because of
Mm-hmm.
symmetry. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
This is the thin spherical cell. Thin spherical cell means hollow spherical cell.
Hollow spherical shell. Okay.
Thin
Mm-hmm.
spherical cell, when we will tell this is a hollow cricket, rubber
Mm-hmm.
ball,
Mm-hmm.
tennis ball, we can say tennis ball.
Mm-hmm.
This is the cricket ball, solid
Mm-hmm.
inside.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
This is the hoop. You see, this is the hoop, thin.
Mm-hmm.
Just now we have discussed, correct na?
Okay, and this is parallel to the hoop.
This is the
Or
parallel to the plane of the hoops. Yes, we have divided. We have used na, what we have used? Two axes. One is the this one and another two diameters. Am I right or not?
uh-huh.
Like this one. One is this, one is this one. This and this axis and this axis we will add. Correct na? I x x plus I y y is equal to I z z. Am I right or not?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes.
So we have used this formula here.
Uh-huh. So how is it gonna come? So I y y is m r square, right?
I y y no mr square. I z z is mr square. Axis of hoop. Axis of hoops. This one. This is the z.
This one.
Let me
Z.
just let me clean the diagram. Otherwise you will.
Yes. Okay, Z.
Hmm.
Plane of the axis of hoop. Okay, I understand.
Understand na?
IZZ is equal to MR square. So
Right.
how do you find this one, the bottom one?
So you
I is
you
equal
make one
1.
axis now. You can make the two axis because one axis and the either you take vertical axis or this is the horizontal axis. Both will be same na. Because for using the perpendicular axis theorem we required
Okay.
two axis. Is it clear?
Yes. So then y axis equal to I x axis is equal to 1.5 MR square.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Okay.
I x x plus I y y is equal to this one I z z. Is it clear? Or ixx and iyy will be same. This is the x,
Mm-hmm.
this is the y. So 2ixx is equal to izz. That is mr square. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
So ixx is equal to
Yes, I understand. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
is it clear?
Yes.
Good. Then this one, this is what? Please tell me what you call this one?
Solid cylinder
Yes,
disc.
solid cylinder. Or
Mm-hmm.
disk, no, disk is separate, but both it is same. That is the reason they have simultaneously. Don't
Mm-hmm.
say that is both is same. Disk is
No,
thin.
I'm just trying to see, read what they say here.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Disk is thin, solid cylinder is long. So, but
Uh-huh.
both will be same. Moment of
Mm-hmm.
inertia of that about axis is same. Is it
Mm-hmm.
clear?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So I think moment of inertia. Now you tell me what is your questions now. Now you can do it.
Yes, question was like,
On one radius of gyrations, I will tell you just 1 second. Radius
uh-huh.
of gyration, moment of inertia.
Radius of what? Gyration?
Gyration, K. K is there, na? You just ask what is you pronounce it. Radius of,
Gyration.
yeah,
Gyration. Okay.
gyration. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
It is denoted by K generally.
Okay. Okay.
I is equal to anything's radius of gyration is mk square. That's all. This is the one formula only.
Mm-hmm. I is moment of inertia is equal to mass on
K square.
radius k square, and k square is like
K is the radius of gyration.
radius. So is it constant? It's not constant, right?
It depends on the axis. Again, it is depends on the axis. Moment of inertia varies, so K is also varies.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
K is also vary with the.
What does it mean gyration?
Actually, frankly speaking, you don't go to that. Gyration is a physics name. Okay.
It's just a physics name.
Uh,
Okay.
uh,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So my question was,
Yeah. Why your question was?
can you just go up a little bit? It was somewhere on the beginning. I downloaded.
You have downloaded.
Yes. Somewhere maybe like on the 21st page.
1 second, I will take it. No problem. It will be remain is here. Whatever it is there, you are just it is come in the last. Yeah, you have downloaded this one. I will go this one.
You found it?
Yeah, it is very
Ah,
good website. It is side na. I will tell you this symbol you take it. Which symbol? This one. You open it, click it, and then you will find on the down your page and just
uh-huh.
do.
Okay. Okay, so here I wanted to ask you, so there, the question is here. Let me find it. Where is it? The question, like, I was just not sure about one thing. So they want to calculate moment of inertia with the with rotational
Hmm.
axis in following figures.
So what
So
is the x-axis? They want to rotate the following figure x-axis. Correct? Na? This is the x-axis.
yes, yes. But my question is, so I take 4 multiply on 3, and then 2 plus 2
No, how
multiply
you can
on
multiply 3 only? R square na m r is.
yes, yes, 3 square, yes, and then plus 2 multiply on 2 square. But my question is, am I not supposed to do minus
No, no,
4?
no, no, no. Because moment of inertia you are squaring. Distance is squaring. When negative quantity also you square it, it is positive only.
Yeah, but when I add all of it
Yes.
together, it doesn't matter that it's in going y-axis is going
No,
down,
no, no, no,
and
not
that's
matter. Not matter. Doesn't matter.
okay, 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 that's fine. So then there was one more question about cylinder. Can you just like find it? Do you see it?
You have sent or where you have sent?
Yes, yes. I sent in the beginning. Let me see.
9.4.
Where is it?
9.4. No, what is.
9.4. Yes, you found.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, oh yes. So the question is, find the moment of inertia of uniform. Sorry, find moment of inertia of uniform
Hmm.
cylinder. Can you
Yeah,
see?
yeah.
Can
Tell
you
me.
see it?
I'm seeing.
About an axis through its center of mass and perpendicular to its base, mass of the cylinder m,
Yeah.
radius r.
So they have did the same thing.
Moment.
Ah,
They just did
yeah, yeah.
moment of inertia. Oh, this is what we
Yeah, I have
explained
cylinder. I have not
yesterday.
explained. I have explained this one.
Ah, yes, you
Disk.
explained to me disk and yes, okay. Okay, now I mean I just didn't know about this moment of inertia thing. like
See, now
different.
you are
Okay,
knowing the, see,
so
please
that's
listen.
fine.
You are so comfortable in integrations. You are so comfortable in integration. You are doing so lot of things you are using and you are doing your own. You are seeing that one
Yes,
or two
yes, yes,
classes of maths, it is helping like anything.
yes, yes. Okay, so this one then no problem. There, I will just look how they did because I was just very
Their
confused. What
volume,
are they
first
doing?
they are
But
divided into
now
volume. Earlier we are dividing in length, then we have divided in area. This we have divided into volume, per unit
in
volume.
volume, yes, yes. Okay, so one more question I have.
Hmm.
Let me just see. Body shown of two forces. One second, it's downloading. Uh huh. Okay. Oh, it's still downloading. Hmm. Okay, I don't know why it's downloading
No
for so
problem.
long. Gosh.
You download it.
Ah, okay, this one I understand, I think, right now. Okay, there was one question. They were taking moment of inertia 1.5 mr square, so now I understand. Okay, and one more question here. There was a question, about like you need to use basically cross product of vectors, okay, and then for some reason I got different
That is for
different
torque. Torque,
like
you are using the cross product.
yes, but I got different like I got minus basically. Oh, okay, downloaded. So you see this 9
No, it is
9.18.
not load.
Okay, so it's very easy. You just need to do cross product force on the radius
No, it is
on
not loaded
vector.
from my side. Ah, yes, it is loaded.
So it is very easy. But the problem is that when I got it, so my answer was a little bit different. Like they have minus 7i plus 5j plus k, and I got minus k minus j minus 5j plus 7i. Like I got
Wait, wait.
different, like
You maybe
yes, plus
you
minus for
maybe
some
taken
reason.
F first and R minus. Torque is equal to R.
Yes,
Order, if you
yes,
change
I
it,
did.
your answer will become negative.
Wait. So it's supposed to be R
R
on
on
F.
F,
I
yes.
thought it's okay. I for some reason
Hmm.
I forgot this. Okay, R on F. Okay, so this is I
Good.
understand
This is
then.
all you are doing. Torque, everything's good. See, you are
Um,
increasing your interest now, physics. You are increasing your interest.
yes,
Good.
yes. I just like a few years before, uh, I was like doing a lot of physics because I was doing in Ukraine also very complex exam in physics. So I was learning a lot of things. What I just forgot a
Okay.
lot of things. So now I need to just remind.
Good.
That's why my memories are
Yeah.
coming back.
Yeah, because physics is so simple. Once you means mix with the practical. Otherwise, it is very difficult. If you
Yes.
apply the theory, it is very difficult. Okay.
Okay, it's still loading. Okay, there's one more question here. Okay, there's one good question here. Also, I think I just didn't really understand here fully. Okay, one second. angular impulse. There is like a question here.
Angular?
Angular impulse.
Angular impulse or not impulse? Impulse. I
Impulse, yes. And also angular momentum, they take R cross product on
yeah.
P. You can also do that.
See, angular momentum. P is what? P is your linear momentum. Am I right or not? I told na anything you
Yes, yes,
multiplied by R, it becomes angular. Am I right or not? You have forgotten that.
yes,
So
yes.
R into P becomes angular momentum. Is it clear?
Okay, okay, yes. Why does it download
Maybe
for so
internet
long?
slow, no problem.
Okay, this one, but you just explained to me this one. So basically,
Impulse.
this is
Impulse is
also
nothing but force times T is the impulse. Angular momentum will be what?
yes.
See, the impulse you have studied is, one second, you look here. Impulse is
Mm-hmm.
equal to force into time. Correct na?
Yeah. Uh,
But
yes.
for the angular impulse, angular momentum, angular impulse, force will transfer to what? Torque.
To
Torque.
R
Torque.
torque R. Yes.
Force will be,
Mm-hmm.
see, the force role is the same whatever it is the torque role. Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Torque. Torque you understood or not? So
Yes, yes,
torque
yes.
into delta T. This is the impulse. Torque into delta T is equal to final angular momentum minus initial angular momentum.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear? Like impulse is equal to how much
Mm-hmm.
we are taking? Final momentum minus initial momentum we are taking na.
Mm-hmm.
Impulse
Yes.
is equal to how much you are taking? Please tell me. F times T we are taking, or otherwise taking MVF minus MVI.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Okay. Yes. So can you see this question
9 point?
9.41? 41. Did
No,
you
it is not
download?
download.
Did you see
It
now?
may come. One second, it be. Ah, yes, it is came. Hmm. A thin meter scale is kept in a vertical by placing it one end on the floor, one end on the floor,
Floor.
keeping the
Mm-hmm.
end in contact stationary. It is allowed to fall. It is allowed to fall means like this one.
Yes, yes. So it has potential
Yes.
energy, and then it's converted into the
Potential energy,
rotational
center of
kinetic
mass is
energy.
here. So what is the potential energy? Center of mass is here. Correct na? Center. Not potential energy here. Full height we will not take. What we will take? Half height.
This is what I didn't understand. Why you take half?
Center of mass where it will be lies. See the rod.
In
This is the rod. Where is the center of mass? This one na.
Yes, yes, in the middle. But why you take center of
Because the
mass?
center of mass only at the height na. Because here it is small mass. This again integrations you have to see here it is very small mass on the top. Small mass is the bottom. Average mass is
Okay.
where? Average mass is at the center. Is it clear or not?
Uh-huh. Average mass at the center. Wait, no, I don't understand. But potential energy, like when you take a
Hmm.
potential energy, like of a body, you take
Full
full
height.
height.
When I will take the full height, this is the ball. Ball mass is at the center. So we will take this one height. Is it clear?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
MGH. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Yes.
suppose I will take one meter scale. Is the whole mass is lying at the top? Please tell me. Whole mass is lying on the top? No.
No,
Whole
no,
mass is
no.
lying at the bottom? No. Where whole mass will be lies?
No.
middle,
In the middle.
middle.
In the middle.
Is it clear?
Okay. Okay. So then you take the mg, whatever L or R divided on
Yes,
2 mass, and then it's converting into the potential, into the kinetic rotational
yes,
energy,
half
right? One
I
and a half
omega square.
omega square. Okay, now I
Okay.
understand. Because I didn't take, I didn't know why they take
Yes,
divide
yes,
on
you are
2.
right. But you should see, na. You should see what you have to see, that
Mm-hmm.
whole mass where it is lying. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes. Moment of inertia. Let me see. I think everything else. No, there was one more question.
These questions you
One
understood,
more
na.
question.
This is the I value is this one. What is the I you have taken here? Please tell me. ml square by 3. About which axis they have taken? I.
Uh, 1 second. I ml
Which
squared by
axis it
3.
is rotating? Please tell me.
This one on the
Yes,
bottom.
this one.
This is the one that you explained to me
Yes,
first time, like first
this
class.
axis it is rotating, correct,
Yes.
na?
Yes.
So now this example is very clear about the axis of rotations.
Yes. Let me just find this one question I wanted to ask.